Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm doing a review of a fire pit that I bought from Morrisons for Crystal's birthday. It's one of her presents. We're trying to get the garden to a point where it's really nice to, go out and be comfortable in, because we'd been focusing on other things. We've just left it to, not to be great. That's why I've started making the fences, and we've, raised the beds up and all this other stuff, which I'll do videos of and show you all of them as and when I can. But there'll be lots of different videos out, showing different outdoor things, barbecues, that kind of thing. So I just got this fire pit for her. She loves the idea of it. I was going to make her one, and then I saw this for £40 in Morrisons, so I thought I'd give it a go. But before I get on, I'd like to thank my patrons. You guys are absolutely fantastic. I appreciate everything you've done. And here is one of my patrons' YouTube channel, and I'll link it and everything. Great little bits of this, that and the other. Go ahead, have a look, see if you like it. Also, I'd just like to thank you guys for just watching. Just if you could like, subscribe, do all that, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so here it is. Its height is 66 centimetres, its width is 66 centimetres, and its depth is 66 centimetres. A little bit devilish, if you ask me. It says, stay warm into the evening with this large fire pit. 360-degree views of the fire. Chrome-plated cooking grill, perfect for those who enjoy outdoor cooking. High-temperature black paint with brushed bronze effect finish. Durable steel construction, easy to assemble. I think what we need to do now is just get it out. Crazy, that went on forever. Here's the instructions, which I will look at it in a second, but let's get it all out. It feels a little bit flimsy, I will say. It's a little bit like wobbly and thing, but once it's all together, that may not be an issue. Quite funny, this is just shown in the picture, but it doesn't say it in any of the blurb that there is a, a fire poker thing. Oh, what are these ones? Yep. Okay, I'm just going to take this off, and then I'm going to have a look at the instructions and see what it says to do. And then we can go, once it's all set up, we can go outside and we can test it. Crystal did remind me that I got a massive steak I could cook on this, but I'm not going to, I don't think. Even though it does say it's great for cooking, I'd rather just try it with some coals and give it a test run that way first. First whole page is safety instructions, don't be chucking it in your house, all that rubbish. And then it's just a straightforward diagram of how to put it together. Okay, so basically the fire pit is now raised up off the ground, obviously to stop heat dispersing into whatever the floor is, which will probably 9 times out of 10 be paving slabs or whatever. And it's just a case of screwing it in with these little screws. Okay, next we put on the grate, which is for cooking and stuff, which is pretty cool, which I didn't know. When I bought it, I just thought it was a fire pit for, you know, heat, etc. And then this is the bonnet, the roof. It's not a bad looking little thing. What do you think? Let's get it outside and we'll give it a test. I'm not sure if any of you remember, but back in the day we used to make videos on making fire bricks out of junk mail, and this is 2 of them, and they're very, very cheap to make. All you do is you sign up to loads and loads of rubbish online. They'll send you loads, but make sure you do it in a different name, so whenever you get some rubbish in that name, you know that's for your fire log pile. I meant fire brick, but you know, I can edit that in. I couldn't resist trying out the grill. Here's some pigs in blankets and a bit of pizza, and I'm doing it the old-fashioned way too. Okay, for £40, I think it's a really nice bit of kit, and it will make the garden, you know, a more hospitable environment where, as the nights get colder, we can still be out there and have, you know, relatively warm evenings, sat in our chairs and just chatting away throughout the night. Thank you so much to my patrons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.